My topic of presentation is CoFarm Foundation, and my group is Toyota. CoFarm is a non-profit organization that aims to promote sustainable agriculture, food security, and rural development. The organization also promotes the use of renewable energy, water conservation, and the organic practices in agriculture to reduce the negative impact of farming on environment that benefit both people and the planet. CoFarm work with local and international communities to promote sustainable agriculture practices. CoFarm Foundation also face various challenges and limitations like the land access, funding's increased demand of food, lack of awareness, lack of resources. To tackle these of the limitation, we are going to collaborate with the Global Green Growth Institution, and this institute have a partnership with the government, civil society, and the private sector, and to develop the innovative green growth development solutions, project financing and investment, and sharing of the knowledge and country lessons. These partnerships create collaboration and complementary to advance the green growth program at country and global stages, build reliability in support to policymakers, investors, and other stakeholders to demonstrate efficiency in the use of resources to support countries and initiatives at national and subnational levels.
Having the aim of sustainability in mind, the policies of the CoFarm Foundation are based upon three principles. Number one is the community supported agriculture or the CSA model. This model involves the direct connection of the consumer with the enterprises where they invest, and as a result they receive the share of the total harvest. CoFarm Foundation run many CSA schemes throughout London, which does not only help in promoting the relationship between the producers and the consumer, but it also helps in the production of the locally grown food. It aims in supporting the small-scale farmer and take initiative in promoting the sustainable farming, which is the key aim of the foundation. It also helps in taking initiative to reduce the food waste. The CoFarm Foundation uses the technique of the living lab technology in implementation of its policies. The number one is the C-creation and co-designs, in which the stakeholders are involved in development of the solution and ensures that the final product is the demand of the end users. The second one is the open innovation, in which the shareholders collaborates and in the development of the new technology, hence bringing innovation. The third one is the ethics and privacy, in which a government framework is involved which respect the privacies of the people and the actor involved in the process. The fourth one is the sustainability, which is the key concept of the foundation. In this approach, the advancing of the sustainable development technology is used, which promotes the eco-friendly products and technology. Last but not the least is the strategic niche management, which aims to create the sustainable advancement for the technologies by identifying and occupying new market niches. Now I'd like to invite Naeem to take the presentation further.
Hi, this is Muhammad Raza. In the CoFarm Foundation presentation, the implementation of the innovative technologies. The use of the sustainable development technology is very effective because it helps the farmer to promote the agriculture. The concept of the SDD was started in 1918, in 1998, and the it basic purpose is to boost the practices which help the farmers in agriculture, aims to promote this sustainable agriculture as well as to protect the environments. The effective implementation of the use of the advanced technology is very effective because it helps the farmers to protect it from the degradation of the environments, as well as helps the farmer to adopt the best methods which help to promote their agriculture. Refinement of the new sustainable technologies. In this, the first step of this sustainable technology is the research and analysis. In this case, the CoFarm Foundation always conduct research and analysis method which help the farmers to improve their agricultures and how to use the renewable resources. Second step is the brainstorming sessions. In these sessions are always conducted among the stakeholders and the employees to generate a new idea which is effective in the sustainable technologies. third point is the pilot projects. In pilot projects, they always use the initial steps for projects and gather the information which is effective for these projects. Fourth point is advanced education training. In this case, they make sure they employees have sufficient knowledge to which help and give the perfect training to the employees, which help the farmers in agriculture. Last point is the continuous improvements. In this case, they grab the information and improves the system technology after getting information from farmers and how to use it in effective way.
Adaptation of behavior change strategy. First of all, we discuss why we need to change this. We need to change this because food production contribute 25% on the environmental factor. And for this, we need to introduce some innovative behaviors, innovative strategies and behaviors. And for this purpose, we consider different factors, so like physiological and like sociological factor. Some of the behavioral change theories that are adopted by the CoFarm Foundation, in which first is the social cognitive theory. Social cognitive theory, as I said, the people learn through the observation, mitigation, and modeling. Thus, intervention that prioritize modeling and reinforcement of sustainable practices are essential. Second one is the behavioral economics. Drawing insight from the social concept theory, behavioral economics provide a real-world insight and how to incentivize behavior change. Example may include to use of the given group reward or on the single reward could be used to encourage the sustainable practice. Third one is the social norms. Emphasizing behavioral norms can influence behavior in the context of the social can enhance behavior in the context of the social acceptance, emphasizing social norms of environmental or energy efficient practices are the example. Third one is the goal setting. It is very effective method to encourage anyone to uh, do anything. Like first we set a achievable goal, and when they achieve this goal for like sustainable practices or different one, then we give them feedback. This encourages them. This encourage anyone. And last one is the gamification, applying game mechanics such as badge, points, or that promote their behavior change.
Hello, my name is Ahmad. Here I am represent some commercial benefits for CoFarm. And the first one is the innovative policy target to revolutionize the agriculture area, which is a very commercial benefit which give us more investment. And the second one is the linkage of farmers with the investors, like people who investors. We should say them that we are doing some sustainable way. We are getting yield from a particular area, a high yield from with the sustainable way. And the second one is emphasize cost saving. We should save our cost from the from each and every step. And this is our commercial benefit. We highlight possible potential that this type of GMO, genetically modified seed, give us high particular yield on a particular area. Like 1 acre, we can get 30 to 40 metric ton. It's a roughly estimate type of yield. The commercial benefits that we promote our brand value that we are going with a sustainable way. The other one is a community development. We tell our other farmers that we are doing this type of sustainable way. You should also go with this type of sustainable way and get high yield for our future generation, which is a sustainable way to promote, which is the first and more utmost step to promote sustainability. That's it.
In conclusion, the CoFarm Foundation objectives to advance sustainable farming through cutting-edge technology and practices is essential in resolving the issue in the agriculture field. The learning process used by the foundation as well as the knowledge sharing, these all are make the investment easy and also make the partnership with the other organizations and which give a high profit rate. The CoFarm Foundation may support social economic and environmental advancement through advancing sustainable agriculture and rural development.